Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we are diving into Testimonial Slider in Bricks Ultra. This awesome element displays client feedback and turns it into eye-catching sliders that look amazing, boost credibility, and keep visitors engaged. This little feature can seriously take your website to the next level. It is a way to show off client reviews or feedback in an interactive slider format. Instead of just having a list of reviews, the slider makes it engaging and easy for your visitors to see what people say about your work. To add a testimonial slider on your website, ensure you've installed and activated the Bricks Builder theme and Bricks Ultra plugin. Once these things are ready, you can start building your testimonial slider. It is easy to add the testimonial slider to your page in Bricks Builder. First, open your page in Bricks Builder, scroll down to the Ultra tab, and drag the testimonial slider element from the list below to your desired location. Under the Content section, we have multiple fully customizable styling options. Select the preset from available styles. In Testimonial Details, first up is the Avatar and Image section, where you upload a profile picture of the person giving the testimonial. And of course, you can tweak the sizes to make it fit your design perfectly. Start typing in the details for the author, their designation, company name, and the client experience in the description field. Lastly, the rating option allows you to specify a numerical rating up to 5 stars. Preset style allow us to customize the look of your testimonials for a professional and polished design. Modify the background color and adjust the border and padding of the box. Easily personalize each section of the testimonials, whether it's the content, author, avatar, image, designation, company name, description, to perfectly match your website's aesthetics. Through rating style, you can select the marked, half-marked, or unmarked icons to represent your ratings. The built-in icon library allows you to choose from a variety of icons, or you can upload SVG icon. Specify the size and color of the rating icons. You can adjust the gap between rating icons. This controls the spacing between each rating symbol for better readability. Lastly, we can modify the margin settings to position the rating section properly within the testimonial slider. Adjusting these values ensures that the ratings align well with other elements. The order option allows you to customize the sequence in which different testimonial elements appear on the page. For example, if you want the rating to be the last visible element, you can set it to 3, while the description follows at 2 and the author info at 1. You have complete control over how testimonial details appear, making your web page more visually structured and engaging. In slider control, loop option enables us to view our testimonials in continuous motion. Using effects setting, we can change how slides transition from one to another. There are 4 options to choose from. Fine-tune the transition speed and spacing for a smoother user experience. Enable autoplay if you want slides to run automatically. Pagination makes navigation effortless. Choose from multiple styles and enable these controls for better user experience. When you enable the navigation option, you'll find it easy to choose the previous or next navigation icons to scroll through the testimonials. Plus, you can customize the position of these icons, selecting whether you want them inside or outside. You can change the icon for the navigation arrows, and you can also adjust its horizontal and vertical position to suit your preference. Slider style let you personalize navigation arrows, pagination, and the scroll bar, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable experience for your users. Enhance the navigation icon color and its background. Apply a border and shadow for a refined look. Adjust its size, horizontal vertical offsets, and padding for perfect placement. Define pagination size for better visibility. Choose colors to highlight active and inactive states. Adjust top and bottom offsets for precise positioning. Set the scroll bar's thickness. Customize both the scroll bar and the draggable area for a polished UI. Take a look at the final preview of your testimonial slider on the website. With its smooth transitions, stylish layouts, and dynamic effects, your testimonials are sure to catch the eye and help build trust with your visitors. Here, we are showcasing client feedback with customized descriptions, ratings, and seamless navigation. With just a few tweaks, you can transform your testimonial section into a visually stunning, credibility-boosting highlight of your website. So go ahead, use the element, customize it, and make it truly yours. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more such videos. Also, check out the description below for the documentation, live demo, and other useful resources to help you get started effortlessly.